Pairing wireless thermostats is quick and easy using the touchscreen controller. Up to 3 wireless thermostats can be used with the Aerona Smart Controller using a single wireless receiver. The wireless thermostats can be paired during the system configuration process or from either the heating circuit panel or service settings. Before starting the pairing process, ensure that each wireless thermostat uses a different channel. To adjust the channel, hold the up and down buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The screen will change to display you have entered the username. Scroll down using the down button to parameter 35 and tap the tick. The screen will display the currently assigned address, add 1, as the default, which will flash with the parameter editing symbol visible. Press the up or down button to amend the address and confirm with the tick. Holding the tick button down will move you back through the user menu to the home screen. Where only a single wireless thermostat is being used, you do not need to set the address on the thermostat and can skip straight to the next step. Repeat the process for the other wireless thermostats to be paired. Next, go to the Smart Controller touchscreen display to add a thermostat via the Service Settings menu. Tap the Settings icon at the bottom left of the screen, select Service Settings and type the 4-digit password 0000 and tap Enter. Select Installation Controller from the menu. Scroll through the menu to find the circuit you want to assign a wireless thermostat to and select it. Scroll through the circuit options and tap Thermostat to begin the pairing process. Tap Wireless Thermostat and tap the forward arrow to proceed, following the instructions that appear on the screen. On all required thermostats, press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. Use the up button to scroll through until you find parameter 3 and tap the tick to select. The thermostat will show SUCC and END when the pairing with the wireless receiver is complete. After a short while, the alarm and radio symbols will also no longer be visible on the thermostat screen. It is important to ensure that all thermostats are paired at this stage. There is a 4-minute time window in which to complete this process. The wireless thermostat or thermostats will now be saved to the memory of the wireless receiver. You can hold the tick button on the wireless thermostat to return to the home screen. Next, moving on to the Smart Controller touchscreen display, tap the forward arrow to load the list of paired thermostats. For the first circuit, select the required thermostat. In this case, add 1 will be identified as ESTER X40 T1. Select this T1 and confirm the thermostat choice by tapping the tick. Tap the back arrow and then select the next circuit. Scroll down to find Thermostat and tap to begin the pairing process by selecting Wireless Thermostat on the pairing menu. Tap the forward arrow to enter the pairing mode. When the pairing instructions appear, tap the forward arrow again to see the list of paired thermostats. Select ESTER X40 T2 and confirm the thermostat choice by selecting the tick. To return to the home screen, tap the back arrow.